This video series offers instruction on different types of meditation techniques. This is video 18 of 24, Humming Breath. It was explained in video 2 of this series that by paying attention to our breathing, we're able to develop an appreciation and an understanding of how our breathing is directly related to our mental processes and our mental states. It was also mentioned that yoga offers a great deal of instruction on different breathing exercises, and these are referred to as pranayama. Pranayama are used to purify the body and to purify the mind. I've included the following technique in this video series because despite its simplicity, it's extremely effective in calming the mind and clarifying one's awareness. The name of the technique is Bhramari Pranayama, or in English, humming bee breath. The process is easy. Simply inhale through the nostrils, and then, keeping your mouth closed, exhale, creating a humming sound like this. The idea is to pay attention to the breathing as you inhale and as you exhale, but also to pay attention to the sound created when you're exhaling, while also paying attention to the relative silence present when you're inhaling. The full technique includes closing this part of your ear, which is referred to as the tragus. And you do this because you want to prevent any sounds going in. So to do this, just simply take your fingers and put them on your forehead like this, and then use your thumb to close the tragus on your right ear and the other thumb on your left ear. Keeping your ears closed, inhale, paying attention to the relative silence that's present. And then on exhalation, create the humming sound and pay attention to the reverberating vibration that's taking place in your head. In the guided meditation that follows, you can begin keeping your ears open so that you can hear my voice. And then as we continue with the practice, I'll invite you to close your ears. And feel free to continue creating the sound current for as long as feels comfortable, and then let it subside. And you can let your hands fall once again into a comfortable position and just sit in the silence.